Hello and welcome to a dynamic yoga workout. To begin, come to Thunderbolt for a couple rounds of cat-cow. Place your hands to your legs. Inhale, draw your heart forward, lift your gaze. And exhale around your spine, gaze comes down. A couple more at your own pace. After your next exhalation, return to a neutral spine. Reach your arms high and wrap your left hand around your right wrist. Stretch your arms over to the left side, finding length in your right side. And switch hands and sides. Stretch over to the right. Back to center, bring your hands down to your heart and begin to roll out your wrists. So you can do any movement you'd like to. I really like those wrist circles where I open my palms towards my body, bring the back of my hands together, palms facing me, down, away, and palms together. So just do what feels natural for you. Maybe reverse your movement. And release. Come into tabletop on your forearms. And extend your left leg back. Cross your left foot over to the right side. And let's do rainbows. Left leg over to the left side. And over to the right. 7 more. Over to the left and to the right. 6 to go. Last 3, 2, and 1. Bring your left leg back to center, lift onto your left hand and turn your right arm so your hand faces the left corner of your mat. Slightly open your hip and then lower your left leg down and lift it up. Lower and lift. Only 4 more. Last one. Hold your leg up, lift onto your right hand so your upper body is facing the mat again. Let's do mini push-ups. Keep your elbows close to your sides as you lower down and then press up again. 3 more. Lower down, press up for 2 and 1. Great job. Ground your left toes and draw your right knee towards your left elbow. And bring your right knee towards the right elbow and to the left again. To the right and left. 6 more. Right, left. 5. Right, left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Extend your right leg, 3-leg dog. Ground the right foot. Shift to plank. And let's do a vinyasa. Inhale, shift forward. Option to drop your knees. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment to breathe. Then lift your left leg up, 3-leg dog. And step your left foot forward, coming into a lunge twist. So right hand stays down, left arm reaches up. Bring your left hand down again and rise up. High lunge, both arms high. Then bring both hands to the mat. Step back to single leg plank, left leg is lifted. Step forward again and rise up, high lunge. 2 more like that. Hands to the mat, single leg plank. Step forward and high lunge. 1 more. Hold your high lunge. Standing balance, bring your hands to your heart. Then step your right foot forward and lift the right knee up. Warrior 3, float the right leg back. Maybe extend your arms back or reach them forward. And then we're going into pigeon pose. So ground your hands and your right toes. Bring your left foot over to the right side so your left knee meets the left hand. Keep your back toes tucked, active pigeon. Hold for a moment. Step back to plank. And let's do another vinyasa. Upward dog and release, child's pose. Return to tabletop and lower down onto your forearms. Extend your right leg back and cross the right leg over to the left. Let's do this rainbows again. Right leg over to the right and to the left. 7 to go. Four more, halfway there. Last one. Bring the right leg back to center, lift onto your right hand. Turn the left forearm, open your hip, and then lower your right leg down and lift. 5 more. Last one. Hold it up, lift onto your left hand, mini push-ups. Keep your elbows close to your body as you lower down and press up. 3 more. Last one. Ground your right toes, left knee towards the right elbow, to the left and to the right, left, right for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3-leg dog, left leg back. Ground the left foot, roll forward to plank, chaturanga, up dog, and downward facing dog. Three-leg dog, reach your right leg back and step forward, lunge twist. Left hand stays down, right arm up. Bring your right hand down and slowly rise up, high lunge. Bring both hands to the mat. Step back, single leg plank, right leg lifted. High lunge. And rise up. 2 more. Hold your high lunge. Standing balance, lift your right knee up. And warrior 3. Maybe play with your arms. We're here for one more breath. And then find your pigeon pose. Hands and foot to the mat, right knee to the right hand, back to stay tucked. Step back to plank. And one last vinyasa. Shift forward, chaturanga, up dog, and downward facing dog. Shift into plank. Option to drop your knees and then lower onto your forearms. So you can just hold it here or bring your hips from side to side. Just see what feels best for you today. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and lower down, Sphinx pose. Forms parallel, palms on the mat. Slightly lift your gaze. And shoulder stretch. Bring your left arm out to the left. You can keep it extended or bring it into cactus. And then roll onto your left side. Your legs stacked or your right foot behind your left leg. Then same thing over to the right. Back to center. Sit back to child's pose. And then slowly roll up to thunderbolt. Inhale your arms high and exhale hands to heart, thanking yourself for your strong practice today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.